Hi everyone, it's BellaGemaNails, and today we're going to be working on this acrylic purple clutch. And it is pretty as is, but we're going to up the ante. What do you need? Your trusted E6000 with the pointed nozzle and clear. You'll need your industrial mask and make sure that you work in a ventilated area. I'm working outside, so if you hear nature noises, you'll know why. What else am I using, you ask? I'm using these amethyst crystals. They are small chips that are polished, and I'll put the links below to all items. The next thing I have is an assortment of glass crystals. These are from AliExpress, and I have them in different shapes, sizes, and colors. I recommend you work sections at a time and pick the stones that actually look purple and not white or brown, because you'll get some chunks that aren't as pretty as others. It's really like putting a puzzle together, and it's quite fun actually. You want as little gaps as possible, and although you can't see it because they're very similar colors, you'll be able to see it a lot more in the light and in person. I always suggest choosing stones that match the base color of the bag, simply because it just blends and it looks seamless. Be careful to watch for your sliding gems, because they do get a little slippery when they're on the glue, so make sure you have them on a flat surface. I'm going to put this big focal point piece, it's a large amethyst, right in the center at an angle. We're basically encasing this crystal with the gemstones. You don't want any gaps if possible. Try to lay them as flat as possible. Remember, these are polished, so they're not dusty and they're shiny. These are the ones you want. Don't touch the glue with your finger. The moment you do, wipe it off and wash it. But I never touch the glue with my finger. I'm only touching the stone. Kind of hover over it to see how you like it and if you need to add more pieces. To me, this looks pretty full, and I'm really liking the way it looks. So I added this gemstone there. That was my last one. Hold the bag up just to see if you filled in every gap. Make sure that everything is to your liking. Also, you don't want any of the gems sticking outside of the purse. You don't want any glue oozing. So we're going to do a second layer of 3D. This was your first. The second is going to be to deposit pear-shaped, just like these, but smaller stones wherever you see that it can use one. So it's going to add more dimension and quite a bit more sparkle, but you want to stay within the same color. See how pretty that just fit right in that little pocket? I'm telling you, the devil is in the details. So see, this is like a perfect divot to put a little stone, and it'll hold it nicely. So I completed the second tier of rhinestone, so it looks like it has dimension. So this is the finished bag. I let it dry outside for 5 days in order to get rid of the smelly fumes. If you like videos like this, please make sure that you give me 2 thumbs up or pop a comment down below. And if you're not yet subscribed, I invite you to do so down below. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.